Today we're making crab cakes. And we're gonna use snow crab clusters. Frozen, 2 pounds. So these crab cakes we're gonna make, they're gonna be gluten-free crab cakes. Why gluten-free? It's because I'm allergic to gluten. And I wasn't that way my whole life. A few years ago, I found out that I developed celiac disease. Let me be honest with you guys. Celiac disease is more than just a food allergy, a stomach ache. It is a chronic autoimmune disorder where if I consume it, gluten that is, gluten has this protein inside of it where if it hits my gut, it would tear up my small intestines. That even a small crumb can be considered cross-contamination, and I'm gonna get really sick. And we don't want that. Let's get started. Welcome to the kitchen. These are the ingredients. You know, shout out to my lovely wife, because without her, we wouldn't even be making these crab cakes.
I vow to make gluten-free dishes for the rest of my life. And make sure that no one cross-contaminates your food on my watch. It ain't happening.
The thing about having a good relationship, communication is key. Communication and compromising. And she communicates very well that what we are not going to do, we're not going to eat chicken, rice, and broccoli every single day. So I think I can compromise that. So that's why we're making crab cakes, as you can see. So this is my second attempt making these crab cakes, and the first time went well, and the second time I have no doubt. It's just this part. Like, we need to speed this part up because it takes forever getting the meat out of the shell. And once everything is said and done, you still gotta shred it some more. And at this point in the process, I realized, you know what? I'm a good editor. So yeah, pow, magic. Okay, now that we got our crab, we're gonna speed this thing up, and I'm gonna give you the rundown of all the ingredients in 3, 2, 1. Gluten-free soy sauce, green peppers, lemon juice, Old Bay seasoning, black pepper seasoning, parsley, red peppers, chives, gluten-free panko breadcrumbs, Dijon mustard, mayo, garlic powder, and lastly, an egg. And now arranging everything for that Kodak moment.
And before I introduce our keynote speaker, Brandon wants to corral everyone. Brandon, what do you want? What do you want us to do?
Hi, my name is Brandon Waters. My company is Waters Films. I specialize in weddings and events, as well as social marketing videos for companies and businesses.
I hope you enjoy watching this video. As a videographer passionate about storytelling, I love sharing not only my journey, but also helping. That's my dog. He wants to go outside. We got a button that it says let's go outside when he's ready to go outside. You already went outside, buddy. Not right now. Not right now. That's not my video. I love sharing not only my journey, but also helping people and brands tell their stories professionally. What are we doing? Leave it. This was a glimpse of my health journey. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to Jaden. No. For more stories and tips on how I help others share theirs. If you made it to the end of this video, drop a comment below.